Okay, let's see question number 1. So how many 3-digit number can be formed from the digit repetition is allowed? If repetition is allowed, then it's easy, right? We have already done that. 5 into 5 into 5, which is 5 cube. If repetition is not allowed, then 5 into 4 into 3, right? Easy, which is 60. First one easy. Second one, how many 3-digit even numbers? I guess we have solved a problem like this, right everyone? We have solved a problem like this, right? Even number. For even number, the unit digit must be even, right? And you have to find 3-digit number. So for last place, how many options? 2, 4, 6. 3 options. Now for this place, how many options? Right? Total we have 6 numbers, right? Out of that, 1 is used. So we will have 5 here and then 4 here. Got it? Ashish and Sachin have started teaching. 6 means I don't get you, Navya. Your class was still okay. Okay. So this is without without repetition, okay, without repetition, okay. Now it is if the digit can be repeated, if it is can be repeated, then 6 into 6 into 3, this is without repetition, okay. Now third one, 4-digit letters using first 10 letter of English, easy, right? No letter can be repeated, so 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 or 4 10 P4, okay. Now fourth one, how many 5-digit telephonic numbers can be constructed from digit 0 to 9 if each number starts with 67 and no digit appears more than once? Means repetition is not allowed. So first 2 digit is fixed. First 2 digit is fixed, 67, right? Last digit. So how many options? 10 options. 10 options. No, 9 options. And this 8 options. No, wrong, because 6 and 7 are already used, right? So you cannot do 10 into 9 into 8 because 6 and 7 are already used. So you are left with 8, okay? Then 7, then 6. Because it is said that no digit appears more than once, okay? Right? Which one, Janvi? Question number 3 you asked? Prahlad, see in fourth, it is given 5-digit phone number. Using this, if each number starts with 6, 7, right? So it is a 5-digit. Don't think about real life, just think about the problem, right? First 2 digit are fixed, 6, 7. So last 3 digit will change. That's it. See, if it can be repeated, then you can use 6 digit. No, who said that you cannot use the digit which you used at unit place? Got it, Janvi? So you can use that number also, na? Okay. Okay, fifth one. A coin is tossed 3 times and the outcome are recorded. How many possible outcomes are there? Easy, tell me. 8, nah, 2 into 2 into 2, right? If you toss first time, 2 outcomes, second time, 2 outcomes, third time, 2 outcomes. So 2 into 2 into 2. Next, sixth one. A flat. This one we have done, right? Sixth one. Sixth one, tell me. 2 flags is used for first 5 options, second 4 options. So 5 into 4, 20. Easy? Yes, Vastu, very good. Krishna, which question? Which question, Krishna? See, it's like this, right? Okay, wait, question 5. See, question 5 is this one. Where repeated is there? So if you toss for the first time, you will get head, tail, right? Toss for the second time, again head, tail. Toss for the third time, again head, tail, right? Okay. So which okay, Shakib, wait, I'll just explain more problems. I'll give you more problems. I'll upload one more document which will contain more problems for practice. Okay. 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 Clear, everyone? Clear? Next, permutation, right? So when I talk about permutation, we studied the basic formula, which was NPR. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. NPR. Okay. So we'll solve some more problems of this first, right? So the formula was NPR is equal to factorial N divided by factorial N minus R, or you can use this symbol also. Okay, right? Now we studied about factorial, what is factorial and all those things. Okay, so we had exercise 7.2 of factorial. So you have doubt in any problem? Tell me. We have 5 problems. Doubt in any problem? No? Everyone? Doubt in problem number 4, 5? 4? Okay, let's see question 4. So see, in question 4, right? Now tell me, out of these 3, this is same as the example that we did? Yes or no? This is same? So 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 6 factorial into 7 is equal to x divided by 6 factorial into 7 into 8. Can you write it like this? This is same as example that we did. Okay. Now 1 by 6 factorial will be taken as common. So we will get 1 plus 1 by 7 is equal to x by 6 factorial into 7 into 8. Now 6 factorial will get cancelled, right? So we will get 8 by 7 is equal to x by 7 into 8. X is equal to 64. Okay? Okay, Navya, very good. Because got it? Same as the example one. Vastav, this is the formula. See, it is already written over here. NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Means number of ways of selecting r objects out of n objects. Okay? Right. So let's see permutation in detail now. Okay. So in last class we studied that permutation is basically the number of ways of selection and arrangement. Right, everyone? Number of ways of selection and arrangement. Okay. So you have to understand what is the meaning of selection and arrangement. Okay, you have to understand what is the meaning of selection and arrangement. So I guess everyone know about selection and arrangement, right? Let's see some problems. Okay. Wait. Okay, so before starting my problems, let's complete the permutation. Okay, so as I said, permutation. Okay, permutation is basically selection into arrangement of R objects into arrangement, right? Got it? So that's why the formula was NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Right, everyone? So if I ask you in how many ways you can arrange n objects, in how many ways you can arrange n objects. Tell me. No, it is n factorial ways. It is n factorial ways, na? Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Tell me, everyone. Right? Just see this now. If you have 5 objects, right? So obviously 5 objects can be arranged among themselves in how many ways? So 5 ways, 4 ways, 3 ways, 2 ways, 1 ways, 5 factorial ways. So obviously n object can be arranged among themselves in n factorial ways. Okay, right? Right, everyone? Okay, so I hope all of you understood what is the basic definition, right? Now let's see some special cases. Some special cases. Now just tell me, If I'm giving you this, suppose I'm giving you this A. In how many ways you can arrange them? Tell me, in how many ways you can arrange them? Think about it. Very basic. Yes, because very good. Correct answer. Prahlad, wrong. Nitin, very good. Yashila, very good. Shakib, number. A factorial. A is not the number, right? No. Think about it now. All the three are same A. So if you change the position, will the arrangement change? Tell me. Just think logically, right? If you change the arrangement, if you change the position, will the arrangement change? Suppose we have a clone of Yashash and his clone, right? Okay, and if they both change their position, right? Will the arrangement change? No, right? It will still be Yashash, right? Got it? So if you are saying that since we have three objects, it should be 3 factorial, yes or no? But it's actually 1, which is basically 3 factorial by 3 factorial, right? Because these three are actually same. So it doesn't matter if the position is changed, the arrangement will remain same, right? Now, tell me, in how many ways this pop can be done? Tell me. If you are doing this pop, right? If you are doing the pop of saying that, okay, it will be 4 factorial. Will it be correct or pop? Tell me. 4 factorial. Is it correct or pop? Tell me. It's pop, right? Because see here 2a, right? 2a. 2a. I'm considering 2 factorial for 2a, right? And I'm also considering 2 factorial for 2p, right? But these 2 factorial is nothing but 1. This 2 factorial is nothing but 1. So in this, I'm multiplying 2 factorial into 2 factorial extra. So what I have to do? I have to divide this by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Right? Think about it. Because if I'm writing 4 factorial, it means I'm considering that the position of A and position of B, right? Sorry, P are also different. Okay, right? Which is not the case. Got it? That's why I have to divide it by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, right? So how many ways? Tell me. The answer would be 6 ways. Okay, right? Instead of having 24 ways, because when you talk about 24, see, 2 factorial for A and 2 factorial, right, for P was included in this, right? Got it? But actually, even though the position will change, it's not different arrangement. So you have to divide this 2 factorial by this 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Okay. So in general, I can say that, yeah. So if I'm having n objects, special case 1, right? If I'm having n objects, if among n objects, are objects of same kind, are same, then number of arrangement would be, tell me, n factorial divided by r factorial. Yes or no? Yes or no? Because see, when you talk about arrangement, we multiply it. Now we multiply it, right? So this is multiplied extra, right? If our object are same, so r factor is multiplied extra. So obviously you have to divide it now. You cannot subtract it, right? Got it? Okay. Right now, tell me. in how many ways you can arrange, right? You just see the example, right? Just see the example. In how many ways you can arrange the word Allahabad? Tell me. Think about it. Just think from the example. Just think and tell me. In how many ways? Just in terms of factorial, nothing else. Write in terms of factorial only. Tell me. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Yashash, Nitin. So see, right? What you would have done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So some of you have written 9 factorial. But if you're writing 9 factorial, right? It means A is 4 times. So 4 factorial will be the position change in A. Tell me, yes or no? Yes or no? Not 81 factorial, Yashash. 4 factorial will be position change in A. Yes or no? Yes. In the same way, 2 factorial will be the change in position of L. But actually, instead of 4 factorial, it should have been 1. Tell me, yes or no? Because if the position of A is changing, right? Since A is same, the word will not change, right? This should have been 1. But you have multiplied 4 factorial in this. So obviously you have to divide by 4 factorial because it's not 4 factorial, it is only 1. In same way, L, double L, instead of 2 factorial, it is 1. So you have to divide by 2 factorial. Because when you're writing 9 factorial, it means you have taken this 4 factorial into 2 factorial also, right? Because you have taken 4 different A and 2 different L. That's why we are dividing it by 4 factorial and 2 factorial. Got it, Navya? Janvi? Tell me. Yes, yes, we will discuss other problems also. I hope all of you understood this concept now, right? Now tell me about this word. Tell me, how many words? Think about it, let me know. So again, I 4 times. So instead of 4 factorial, it should be 1. S again 4 times. So instead of 4 factorial, it should also be 1. P 2 times. So instead of 2 factorial, it should also be 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 factorial general, but in this 11 factorial, yes, very good, Vaishnavi, very good Yashash, very good Vikas. Vikas, you mistook one word, okay? Very good Nitin. Vastav, very good. You don't have to write fact, just write the number, I'll understand, okay? If you're using mobile, don't worry. Very good Nitin. So you have to divide by this 4 factorial into 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Easy, everyone. Everyone is getting this. Yes, very good, Navya. Right, very good, Prahlad. Vikas, Janvi, Shrishti. Aditya, Aditya, both Aditya Bharadwaj, Aditya Gadde, Mansa, Bhavesh, Darshan, Krishna, are you getting? Krishna, are you getting? Okay, Jayati, I'll repeat. No worries. Okay, I'll repeat. No issues, Janvi, no issues. Okay, so let's see one more example. Okay, let's see one more example. Right? Then it will be much clearer. Right? Let's see the example of Malayalam. Okay. Okay, this is this. Mala. Now tell me, Krishna, message to host. Okay, message to host. Tell me in how many ways you can arrange the word Malayalam. Very good, Vaishnavi, Yashash, Vastav, Bhavani. See the number, right? You mistook one number. Navya, very good. Krishna, good, very good. See, you guys are getting this. Very good, Prahlad. Very good. All of you are getting the concept, right? Very good, Nitin. Vikas, correct. Vikas, you missed one alphabet. Yashila, very good, correct. Yes. Sahana, correct. Yes, Janvi, correct. Very good. Just write the number. Yes, that's the thing. Mirror image of the number is also same. So see, M 2 times, A 4 times, L 2 times. So total number is 9. So 9 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So this was the case one. Bhavani, it was nine alphabets. Okay, right? So you got it. Okay, you just made some mistake in counting the alphabets. Okay, everyone. Okay, so this was case one, special case one. I hope everyone understood special case one. Tell me yes. So let's see special case two. Okay, let's see special case two. Now, just take one example, right? Just take one example. Okay, suppose 10 of you want to go to a picnic, right? Or want to go to watch a movie, right? When the theater will open, right? Not now. Okay, so suppose 10 of you will decided, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of you decided to watch a movie. Okay, right? Okay, everyone. Now you got 10 seats. You got 10 seats, right? In a movie theater. Okay, right? Now if I ask you, in how many ways, right? You like these 10 people can sit in the movie theater. Then tell me what would be the answer? Very easy. Well, yes, very good. 10 factorial, no, 10 factorial. Right? It is 10 factorial. Right? 10 factorial, no? Got it, everyone? 10 factorial. Yes or no? Yes? Right? But there's a catch. The catch is, so we have here like three people, right? Three people are the best friends, like best friends. Okay. For example, Yashash, right? Suppose Yashash, Nitin, and Aditya. Suppose, right? They are good friends, and they're like, no, no, we will sit together, right? We will sit together. Okay, these three people will sit together, right? Okay. Now tell me, can I say that it will be all of them can sit in 10 factorial ways? Can I say that? Yes or no? I'm just asking you, can I say that if all the three will sit together, it will be again same 10 factorial ways? No, right? Very good, very good. No, it won't be, because now these three have become one object, right? One object. Yes or no? These three have become one object. Yes, very good, everyone. Very good, right? Yes. So if these three became one object, then how many objects we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 factorial. Right, everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? Everyone is getting this? Yes, very good. Very good. Now, the condition is all the three should sit together, but they can change their places among themselves. Yes or no? Even these three can change their places among themselves? No, into, not divided by, because the object is not same, none of them. The object is not the same, right? It is another special case. Okay, try to understand, right? It is not same, it is different. It's just that all the three are clubbed together to form one object, right? So instead of 10 different objects, now we have 8 objects. So it will be 8 factorial. But in this one object, we have 3 students which can arrange their position among themselves. Right now, tell me, these 3 students, right, Yashash, Nitin, and Aditya, can change their position in how many ways? Tell me, in how many ways? 3 factorial, no, 3 factorial ways, right? 3 factorial ways. Okay, so into 3 factorial, don't you think that this should be the correct answer? Total number of ways? Tell me, yes or no? Yes or no? See, we have 3 people, na? Yashash, Nitin, and Aditya. So obviously those 3, this is the question, right? This is the question. Now we are, see, right? This is the question, that these 3 will sit together always. The question is, these 3 will sit together always. That's the question. Okay, I'm giving, right? So these three will not go anywhere. These 3. So even if suppose this 3, I'm just representing by this, right? So it can be anywhere, right? It can be anywhere. So this will become one object, right? And the 7 different students. So total object is 8. So 8 factorial. Okay. But in this, we have 3 students which can change the place among themselves. So it is 3 factorial. So total will be 8 factorial into 3 factorial. See, in first case, there is no grouping. In first case, there is no grouping. So it will be just 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. Got it? Vastav, are you getting? It won't be 1 into 1 into 1 into 7. It will be just 10 factorial. See, if it is 4 people, right? Just think about it. If it is 4 people, then just suppose if it is 4 people, then remaining people will be 10 minus 4, which is 6, plus these 4 people will have one group. So 1, 7 factorial. Now 4 people can also arrange themselves in how many ways? 4 factorial ways. So it will be 7 factorial into 4 factorial if we have 4 people sitting together. Okay, so let's see the statement, right? Let's see the statement first. Okay, let's see the statement first. So the statement of special case 2. Out of n objects, if our objects are always together, okay, then number of ways of arranging them is, now tell me, right, what it will be, n minus r, which is the remaining object, plus 1, because you are clubbing r object and it is becoming one object, right, into, now this r object can arrange themselves in how many ways, r factorial ways. So this is the formula, right? For example, right, if you have 5 people, suppose you have 5 people, right, 5 people, 5 students, okay, you want to go to watch different movies, okay, but 2 students, right, 2 of you, I said no, they will watch same movie, they will watch together, right, 2 of you will say that no, I will watch, right, together, okay, they will watch together, then tell me how many groups can be formed, right, tell me, 3 plus 1, right, 5 minus 2, 3 plus 1, so these 4 group can arrange themselves in 4 factorial ways into. Now these two can arrange themselves in 2 factorial ways. Okay. Yes, yes, Nitin. By total, I mean total number of ways of sitting or of arrangement. Okay. Of arrangement. This is saying of arranging them, right? Okay. Got it? Okay. Now let's see some problems. So Allahabad we already did. Now tell me, what is the answer of this one? How many 4-digit numbers can be formed? How many 4-digit numbers can be formed using digit 1 to 9 if repetition of digit is not allowed? Easy, tell me. Permutation, combination, easy. Tell me everyone, what would be the answer? 4-digit number, 4-digit number, na? It is not 9-digit number, Janvi. It is 4-digit number. Yes, very good, Navya. Right? This is fundamental principle of counting. Yes, Prahlad, very good. Vastav, very good. See, very good, Nitin. Right? Very good. No, 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 because see, it is just basic fundamental question. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6, right? Or 9p4 or 9p4. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? 9p4. Number of ways of selecting 4 objects out of 9 objects, right? Yes, very good, Bhavani. 9 factorial by 5 factorial. Yes, very good. Got it? Right? Okay. Now let's see next problem. Tell me. This one. Tell me, everyone. This is a good problem. Question number 11. Think. Think and tell me. Take your time. Take your time. Don't worry. Take your time. Okay. So think about it, everyone. Think, right? Obviously, 100 factorial is very random answer. It is not correct at all, right? See how many numbers lie between 100 to 1000. So first of all, what is the number of digit? What is the number of digit? 3-digit number. You have to find 3-digit number. Yes or no? 3-digit number. Now, can a 3-digit number start with 0? Think about it now. Can a 3-digit number start with 0? No, right? No? Okay. So for this, tell me, if it cannot start with 0 for this position, how many options do we have? Think logically. For how many options? Except 0, everything can be there? Yes, 5 options. 5 options. Right? For this, again 5 options because 0 can be used. 0 can be used. For this, 4 options. So the answer is 5 into 5 into 4. Yes, 5 into 5 into 4. 100. Okay? 100. Okay, everyone? The answer is 100. Now where 0 can also be included. Now 0 can also be included, right? So except one number, right? See, repetition is not allowed. No, repetition is not allowed. If you're using one number, so remaining number would be 5. Yes or no? Got it? Okay? Right. Very good, everyone. Okay, very good. So tell me, all of you are getting the concept of permutation combination? It is interesting? Yes? Prahlad, between 100 and 1000, what is the number? See, Vaishnavi, first digit cannot be 0, na? First digit cannot be 0, right? So for first digit, it should be 5 factorial only, na? Got it, Vaishnavi? Okay? Very good, everyone. Now, let's see question number this. 12. Everyone, let's see question number 12. NP5 is equal to 42, right? NP5 is equal to 42, okay, into NP3. Find the value of N. Tell me, everyone. Think about it, everyone. Just write the formula, okay? Write the formula. NP5 is equal to what? N factorial divided by N minus 5 factorial is equal to 42 into NP3, which is N factorial divided by N minus 3 factorial. Now tell me, N minus 5 factorial is bigger or N minus 3 factorial is bigger? Tell me, everyone. Which of them is bigger? N minus 5 factorial, N minus 3 factorial. N minus 3, na, right? See, if you ever get confused, take N is equal to something. N is equal to 10. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 factorial. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 factorial. So obviously, which is bigger? Tell me, everyone, which is bigger? Right? 10 minus 3 is bigger. Yes? Very good. So N factorial cancel. So can I write like this? 42 is equal to N minus 3 into N minus 4 into N minus 5 factorial divided by N minus 5 factorial. This multiplied to that side. This is multiplied that side. Can I write like this? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Step by step. Yes or no? Right? Always do that, right? Convert bigger factorial into smaller one. Okay. Now, N minus 5 factorial, N minus 5 factorial cancel, right? So you're left with what? N minus 3 into N minus 4 is equal to 7 into 6. So tell me, N minus 3 is equal to 7. So N should be equal to 10. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me, everyone. Now we are 10 minus 3, right? Just think about it now. 10 minus 3 factorial, right, is what? 7 factorial, which is 7 into 6 into, tell me, 5 factorial, na? So if 10 minus 3 is equal to 7, what is 6? What is 6? It is 10 minus 4, na? Right? Got it? So obviously, if you are writing n minus 3 factorial into n minus 5, obviously n minus 3, then subtract one more, n minus 4, then n minus 5, na? Right? Like n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3. In the same way, n minus 3, n minus 4, n minus 5. Okay? Got it? So I hope all of you understood how to solve these kind of problems. Now try to solve second one by yourself. Try to solve second one by yourself. Think everyone, try to think and let me know. Are you getting? Yes, very good. I got some answers. Okay, Vaishnavi, we will check. This is what I can write. Yes or no? Okay, Bhavani, right? Solve everyone. I'll just give you a small hint. Okay, Vaishnavi and Janvi. Very good. No, Prahlad, n minus 5 can be written as, see, you have to know which is bigger and which is smaller, right? So tell me, among n minus 5 and n minus 4, which is bigger, which is smaller? Tell me. N minus 4 is bigger than n minus 5, na? So n minus 4 factorial can be written as n minus 4 into n minus 5 factorial. Okay, this is what can be written. Okay, Nitin, n minus 1 minus 4 will be what? Tell me. No, now, where 0 factorial is 1 now. Nitin, n minus 1 minus 4 is equal to how much? N minus 5 now, right? Got it? So see, and among n minus 1. So I can write n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. You have to understand that, right? Which is bigger, which is smaller. So this can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus 4 into n minus 5 factorial into n minus 5 factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial is equal to 5 by 3. Cancel, 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 cancel. Okay, so n divided by n minus 4 is equal to 5 by 3. Now, can't you solve this? You can solve this, right? Right, everyone? You can solve this? Right? So 3n is equal to 5 into n minus 4. So again, you will get n is equal to, see, you just cancel it, na? Right? Wait, I'll just show you. Just see this, right? See this. Okay, n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. In the same way, n minus 4 factorial can be written as n minus 4 into n minus 5 factorial. Yes or no? This one you understood or not? Everyone should get this one, right? Okay, then n minus 1, n minus 1 will get cancelled, right? And n minus 4 factorial into n minus 5 factorial, n minus 5 factorial will get cancelled. So we are left with n by n minus 4 is equal to 5 by 3. Okay, so 3n is equal to 5 n minus 4. Okay, so tell me what can be the answer? So see, right? 3 into 10 is equal to 5 into 6, right? Just linear equation one variable, solve it, right? Linear equation one variable, you can solve it now. Okay, 3n is equal to 5n minus 20. Got it? So 2n is equal to 20, n is equal to 10. Okay, very good. So all of you understood this concept? Tell me, all of you understood this concept? Okay, so question 15 also you can do. Now see, this is question 14, right? Question 14 is special case 2. Okay, right? See, I'll explain question 14. So it is special case 2. So all the vowels occur together, right? All the vowels occur together. So in the word daughter, D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R, it is said that all the vowels occur together. Tell me, how many vowels do we have here? How many vowels do we have here? A, U, E, 3 vowels, right? Yes. Now, if this will occur together, means it will be a one group, right? It is represented one group. So tell me, how many objects do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 factorial into these 3 can be arranged among themselves. So 3 factorial. Yes or no? Yes or no? Or you can just use the formula n minus r plus 1 factorial into r factorial. So here n is equal to what? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay. R is equal to what? R is equal to 3. What will be 8 minus 3 plus 1 factorial into 3 factorial, which is 6 factorial into 3 factorial. Got it, everyone? Tell me, everyone got this? Yes? Okay. Now, second one is interesting. Second one is interesting. Tell me. Second one. All the vowels do not occur together. Now, just think about this. Just think about this. Suppose you have 50 students in a classroom, and as a teacher, I have to see who all are present, right? What I would do? Tell me what I will do. No, Navya, that's not the correct answer. Just think about this, right? If your class have suppose 100 students, right? And I have to see how many students are present, what I should do. Think about it, intuitively, what I should do. Should I count the number of students who are present, or should I count the number of students who are absent? Tell me. Yes, exactly. Right, Prahlad? So I will count the number of students who are absent and subtract from total. Yes or no? Total minus absent will give me present. Yes or no? This is called as rule of rejection, right? Rule of rejection, right? Now think about this. Number of ways in which all vowel together is this. And total number in which this can be arranged is how much? 8 factorial, yes or no? Total number of ways, now I'm just giving example, right? Total number of ways in which the word daughter can be arranged is 8 factorial, yes or no? So this is total number of ways. Okay, this is total number of ways. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Total number and number of ways in which vowel can be together is this. So can I say that? Can I say that total minus always together will give me what? Never together? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Total minus always together. Right? So don't you think that you can solve question number 2? 14 seconds. Now can you solve it? It is 8 factorial minus 6 factorial into 3 factorial. Yes or no? Yes or no, everyone? Okay. Very good, everyone. Very good. Very good. Right? So that's it. We are done with this. So we have this special case we have discussed. Okay. So 7.3 will be homework. Okay. We are done with permutation. Right? Okay, everyone. See, yes, yes, two can be together. Two can be together. It's like all the three cannot be together. Okay. Okay, everyone. Sunday. It will be on Sunday. Okay. Right. We will discuss this 11 question on Sunday. Prahlad, you should focus. Are you getting these concepts or not? Tell me, everyone. Are you getting these concepts? Yes or no? Yes. Now, do you think that these concepts are very difficult? Are you finding these concepts very difficult? No, right? Very good. Okay. See, with enough practice, it will be easy. Okay. Yes. See, like my aim is those who are, especially those who are taking foundation class. I hope now all of you are getting the difference between foundation class and normal class. Tell me yes or no. Like, do you find any difference between normal class and foundation class? Right? So foundation class, because see, many parents and most of you were very skeptical, right? That do we need to take foundation class or not, right? What will happen? Do our marks will score like increase? So foundation class is not for scoring at all.